Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're gonna wash the car, this car, and I'll give you an update on the other car. But first, let's see what products we use today. All right, got pressure washer. Bought this at Sears before they closed. It's a 2-tank system, which is kind of nice. This works great. I think I paid like $100 for this. Shop vac, which is what we're gonna start with. I'm gonna clean the interior before I clean the exterior. Home Depot, I think 50 or 60 bucks. Some Chemical Guys wheel cleaner. This stuff works pretty good actually. And maxi suds, which you really don't get a whole bunch of suds with the pressure washer that I actually have. And we'll probably use some sort of mix of all this kind of stuff. You think some of that, probably some of that. Oh, jeez. There, a little. Finish off with a little bit of that. I use a 2-bucket system. There's the first one. The second one's around here somewhere. Turns out I got a little hornet's nest under there. Ooh, a couple of spider friends too. They live in harmony, but we're gonna have to take care of that. All right, we're gonna let that marinate for a little while, but we're gonna get back to the car. Okay, so now the update on the Ferrari. This will actually be really quick. 2 Fridays ago, we painted the front bumper and the hood. This past Friday, we were able to get the rest of the car sprayed. What's interesting is this clear coat that they purchased for me. It's an $800 per gallon clear coat. It's supposed to be really great against UV protection. Really excited about it. It looks great out in the sun. We got the rest of the car sprayed just this past Friday. We're going to put the car together this week. I anticipate it'll be on the road very shortly. So that's the update on the Ferrari. It is painted and awaiting put together. We have to sand some spots down and get that buffed out, but the car is done. So look for an update coming really soon. Thanks for watching.